Hello dears and welcome back to my channel. It's nice to see you guys again. In this video we're going to start the view menu with Illustrator. So we are done with the effect menu. Let's start the view menu. So the first option with the view menu is the outline, but we're going to start from outline up to this show transparency grid. So let's try to click on the outline, but if we want to see all our design in outline mode, so first I'm going to draw this rectangle shape and we need to go to this view and we need to click on outline. So now we are in outline mode. I can see my shape in outline mode, and if I want to click on this preview, so I can use the shortcut which is this Ctrl+Y. So I'm going to click at that. I can now see my designs in preview mode. So the next thing with the view menu, we have this overprint preview, and you can use the shortcut which is this Alt plus Shift plus Ctrl+Y. And if I want to see my document in overprint preview, so make sure first your document is CMYK, because if you turn on this for the RGB document, so you cannot print the RGB documents. That's why. So CMYK is made for printing, so that's why make sure your document is in CMYK. Then you can turn on this overprint preview before you want to print anything, so you can turn on this preview. So the next thing here, we have this pixel preview, and I can use the shortcut which is this Alt plus Ctrl+Y. And if I want to see my designs in pixel preview, so with the pixel preview I can see all my design in pixels, and there's millions of pixels that is made an image. So if I am going to turn on this for this vector shape, so I can see the pixel in this as well. Not only for image, I can see the pixels with this shape. And if you are going to turn off this pixel preview, so you can see any pixels in this shape. So the next thing here, we have this trim view. This is really cool view which I can use it here with my Illustrator for different documents. So I can hide all the outside objects which is outside from Artboard, which is this one and also this object. And if I want to hide them, so simple, I'm going to just click on trim view. So only I can see the Artboard area, but there is this shape available which I'm going to use my cursor and put it on the top, so I can see the highlight for that, and also for this one. And also under layers, as you can see, we have these shapes which is not deleted, only it is hidden. So the next thing here with this view menu, we have this presentation mode. If you click at that, so your document is going to be in presentation mode. Now if I want to escape from this mode, so simple, I'm going to hold this escape button or press it once. So the next thing here, we have this screen mode, which we are now in normal screen mode. If we want to change that with full screen with menu bar mode, let's try to click at that. So as you can see, this is a full screen mode, and also I can see the menu right here, this toolbar. I can see the other tools right here, this layer panel, and also this toolbar. And if I want to escape from here, so simple, I'm going to press this escape button on my keyboard, so we can escape or exit from this mode. Let's try to click on full screen mode. With this mode, I can use this scroll right here, and also I can use this rotate view, and also I can zoom in. I can see the artboard as well. So if I want to exit from this, so I'm going to use the same key, which is this escape button. So we have two more options available which I can change here. One is the proof setup and the second is this proof colors. But as you can see, this is off. How we can turn on these options? So we need to go to the edit. So here, as you can see, the assign profile also not working right here. It is lock off. So let's try to turn them on. So we want to turn them on. To do that, we need to click on the color settings, and here we need to change the emulate Adobe to something like a custom. So now, as you can see, we have this RGB CMYK color management policies, and I'm going to hit OK. Now, as you can see, we have this assign profile, and also with the view menu we have this proof setup, which I can just use any standards from here, which is this working CMYK US web coated SWOP v2, and I can use the profile from here if we want to. So there we have this working CMYK. From here I can use any standard profiles which is available, which we already made a video about this. You can find that in our Illustrator tutorials. Now we have this proof colors. Please take a look closely at this design. So if I'm going to select this proof colors, as you can see, the colors is going to change a little bit, and also on the top with this on the title of this document, as you can see, we just added by turning on this option, which is this US web coated. And if I'm going to turn off this, as you can see, the color is also going to change, and also this title for this document is going to be removed. So if you want to apply this proof colors to your design, so simply you're going to click at that. So it's going to apply this proof colors for the designs in this document, and also is going to add this title for your document as well. And also here we have this zoom in. If I want to zoom in, so I'm going to click at this option, or I can just click on the zoom out. So I can use the shortcut instead of clicking on the zoom in or zoom out. So I can use this Control plus to zoom in. I can use Control minus to zoom out. If I'm going to click at that, so we can zoom in. If we click on zoom out, so we can zoom out from this document. So here we have this fit artboard in window. I can use this Control plus 0 if I want to make this artboard according to my window. So simple, I'm going to click at that. It's going to fit that. And the next option that we can fit not only one artboard, I can fit more than one artboard. So let's try to add another one. Control C, Control V. So if we want to fit these two artboard with my window, so simple, I'm going to go to this view, and here we need to click on fit all in window. So there is the shortcut for that, which is Alt plus Control plus 0. So I'm going to click at that. So as you can see, the two artboard is now fit to my window. So I'm going to delete that, and also this one. So here we have this rotate view. I can change the rotate view from here, or if you want to change the rotate view, so simple, you can change it from here as well. So this is not a rotate view, this is a zoom. We need to go to the rotate view. So this is a rotate view. This is used for zooming inside your document, but here we have this rotate view. Let's try to click at that. So I'm going to click on 90 degrees. So as you can see, if I want to reset that, so simple, I'm going to click on reset rotate view. I can use the shortcut, which is this Shift Control plus this one. So I can click at that, so it's going to reset that. But if I want to reset according to my selection, so now we just selected this object, and let's try to click at this -30. And if I want to reset, so here I'm going to click rotate view to selection. Now it's going to rotate view to selection, which is this object. So here we have this hide slices. If you're going to add the slices with your document, so from this toolbar there we have the slices. So I'm going to add that, and if I want to hide that, so simple, I'm going to click on hide slices. And if you want to see the slices, you need to click on show slices. So we have lock slices. If you click at that, so now I can move them, I can delete that, and I can't actually do anything with the slices. So we need to click on lock slices. Again, it's going to unlock that. So here we have this hide bounding box. What is bounding box? This is the rectangle shape, and I'm going to get my selection tool, and this is called a bounding box. And if I want to hide that, so simple, I'm going to click on hide bounding box, and use the shortcut, which is this shift plus control plus B. So I'm going to click at that. So now this bounding box is hidden, and if I want to see that again, so simple, I'm going to click on show bounding box. And the next thing here with the view menu, we have this show transparency grid. If I want to see this transparency grid, so I can use this transparency grid for different purpose here with Illustrator, and I can use the shortcut, which is this shift plus control plus D. So I'm going to click at that. As you can see, we are in transparency grid, and if I want to hide that, so simple, I'm going to click on hide transparency grid. So this is how we can use some of the options, which is we just started from outline up to this show transparency grid, and now we can use all the options here with the view menu. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.